It is 7 in the evening at a small wood-fronted restaurant in Asakusa, Tokyo. A single cube of beef suet has just started to render in a shallow cast-iron sukiyaki nabe pan at the center of the table. A small bowl of fresh, whisked golden raw egg has been placed at every setting. And 380 kilometers west of here in Kyoto, the legendary Mishima-te has been serving the same recipe since 1873. Tonight we make sukiyaki, paper-thin wagyu cooked in sweet, savory warishita with the raw egg dip. Joining me are a Tokyo Sukiyaki chef and a Kyoto Sukiyaki chef.
Sukiyaki was born in the Meiji era around 1870 when Japan reopened to the West and beef consumption was permitted for the first time after 12 centuries of Buddhist proscription. The first specialist sukiyaki restaurant, Iroha, opened in Tokyo 1869. Imahan opened in Asakusa 1905. The word sukiyaki literally means spade-grilled. Edo-era farmers grilled meat on their plow blades in the field. There are two regional styles. Kanto from Tokyo cooks everything together in a pre-mixed sauce. Kansai from Kyoto sears the beef first, then seasons in the pan.
The beef is the whole game. Use high-grade marbled Japanese black wagyu, A4 or A5 grade ribeye or sirloin if the budget allows. 1.5 pounds, 680 grams for 4 people. The slices must be paper thin, 1 to 2 millimeters. Ask the butcher to slice it on a deli machine while semi-frozen, or freeze a wagyu block 45 minutes at home and slice yourself with a very sharp knife at a 30-degree angle. The fat marbling is what melts into the warishita and gives sukiyaki its richness.